watch this whole video to find out how to find affiliates, how to become an affiliate, how to make money off affiliation. Let's go.
Ballin', I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama. I'ma turn these zeros into tens and commas.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, as always, Reinis here, and today I'm revealing deconstructing personal brands, how they make their money, and how I make my money as well as a personal brand. Instagram at ReinisFit, hashtag shameless plug. But today I'm gonna tell you about affiliate sales, how to make sales, how to make money off of them, what the fuck they actually are. So affiliates are, you're basically a salesman in a nutshell, but you're not just working there just to sell. You're working there like to work on referrals. So it would be like, imagine you're trying to find the best water. You go out to your friend, aunt, your mother, whoever the fuck, and they just tell you, oh, go buy Fiji, oh, go buy Everest, go buy this, go buy that. And if you buy the product, your mom, your dad, whoever referred you, they get a commission. So it's basically, if this water bottle costs $10, they can get a commission ranging from 30 cents to like $6. It depends on the affiliate program, really. That's pretty much the only place on what it depends. Getting affiliated and getting affiliate programs, it's super duper easy. And making sales with them, it's also super duper easy. So I'm gonna tell you how to make sales, and then I'm gonna tell you how to find affiliate programs, stuff like that. So, making sales with affiliations. It's basically what I do. I don't recommend you doing anything else. Is affiliate things you use on a day-to-day basis. So, I mean, for example, this notebook. These are my favorite notebooks. I can affiliate those, and for example, books. I really enjoy the Personal MBA. I think it's a good read. I can create a video on that. Number one way of making affiliate sales is creating YouTube videos, doing reviews of the cameras. As I did the my $7,000 setup tour, right? So it can be creating YouTube videos, talking about the product, reviewing it. That type of stuff. So and in the description, leaving your affiliate links, so if people want to copy it, they can go and get that shit, right? So I kind of went off topic I was talking about, but it's basically referring people to the product, and as I said, it should be stuff you trust. So as I said, this book, maybe for example, for email hosting, I'm gonna be doing how to create a $10 funnel. So that's gonna be a great video. Then maybe for email hosting, stuff like that. It's essentially stuff you use, stuff you use, stuff you trust. Because if you're gonna be this genuine about this shit's not gonna go good for you, right? Your first stuff you trust and use, you create YouTube videos on that. You can create content on that, not just YouTube videos, blog posts, whatever. Just create content on that. And I'm gonna hop onto my PC, and as right now you can see, I'm in two different tabs. So right now, I've Googled GetResponse. So you guys probably know GetResponse. If you don't, it's an email marketing service. It's a marketing service I use for a couple of companies around my social media and then at my father's company as well. But with GetResponse, I don't personally use it because I'm not in a point. My mailing list isn't that big. I keep it really narrow. I keep it small. Just because I want to keep it exclusive to the people that really enjoy my content, stuff like that. It's not on this. I'm not talking about this mailing list. I'm talking about my other one, Reinis Fit. This one's I'm going a little bit huger, and I'm gonna be marketing and putting it on GetResponse as well. But I kind of went off topic. So how to find the affiliate products? It's actually super duper simple. So what you do, you pretty much enter the company name. For example, I don't know, Amazon. Amazon has the biggest affiliate program pretty much out there, but the commissions aren't that huge, so keep this in mind. So I went back off track. So how to find affiliate sales? So you go insert company name and affiliation. So as you can see, GetResponse affiliate. What you do, the first result, GetResponse affiliate program. For a lot of programs, not for a lot, for quite a few, there are no affiliate programs. So what you can do, you can email them, like I did with vidIQ, the best tool you have to use in order to grow your YouTube channel. Yeah, if you like, I'll do a video on it, how to use it, stuff like that. Like, see, this is like affiliate selling, and I'm not being disingenuous, like trying to sell you shit I don't use, right? I share you, like, I give you tips based around my personal brand, which is this one I'm on right now. It's based on what I'm doing, what I'm using to grow my YouTube channel, my other YouTube channels, and stuff like that. So I'm telling you the things I use myself. I'm being genuine here. I'm not like trying to sell you some random shit. So as you can see, you earn 33% commission for every paid account you refer, and this is 33% of monthly earnings. So if you refer a friend yeah, see, that's how it works. And like referring to a $15 a month plan, $15, that's not a lot of money, right? So you get $5 a month from just one person. Imagine 100 of them, $500 in just affiliate commissions. So yeah, and that's just a month. So that's awesome. And as the time goes on, it compounds and compounds and compounds. And yeah, essentially the same for my protein. Like, my protein is in a supplement company, and it's just for every company out there. You put in their name, and then at the end, affiliate program, and then you just sign up. They'll have like questionnaires for some will just, type in your email, we'll send you some shit over. That type of stuff. It's super duper simple to find affiliates, become an affiliate, and start making sales with affiliations. Yeah. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I want you to try affiliate marketing right now. Refer this channel to a friend, and that you'll get a cookie. I'll send you a cookie to your address. Okay, no, I won't be able to send it, but please refer this to a friend. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Type in the comments below what the fuck do you want to see next. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. Can you do this? Ah, memes.